your elbow to knee crunch. Come onto your back and bring your heels on the ground and your hands behind your neck. Now, what's going to happen is that you're going to curl up into a little ball and bring the elbows in towards the knees, connect, and then tap back down. Now, what I want to happen is that the elbows and the knees are drawing towards each other at an equal rate. So what I don't want is for your elbows to come up and then your knees to come up, okay? So everything is coming together at the same time. And think about tapping very lightly with those heels on the ground. Now, if you want to make this harder, you can tap the heels further away from you. I want you to stay consistent, though, in keeping the lower belly pulling down and the lower back pressed against the ground the entire time. Exhale as you come in, inhale as you come out. And back down. To make this easier as well, you can bring the heels a little bit closer in and come in and back out. You can also do a single leg if that feels more comfortable for you. No matter what, keep your lower back on the ground. And that is your knee to elbow crunch.